and welcome to episode 2 of Rider Unpaid, The Food Was Homemade, the show that teaches you how to cook all of the takeaway classics that we love in Great Britain and saves you a small fortune from not having to pay God knows who to deliver it. You know what I mean. Yeah, we're cutting out the middleman. Well, 3 middlemen actually. The highly skilled visa cook, the undocumented unknown delivering the food, and the delivery companies that enable and profit from them. Yeah, you know the ones. 3 words. Boycott, boycott, boycott. I can cook my own damn curry, burger, kebab, or anything else that I fancy. And so can you. I'll show you how. Today, it's one of my favourite chicken kebab recipes. And it's served in pita bread, with salad, a spicy salsa, and my claim to culinary fame, my own sauce. Here's the recipe. Step 1. The marinade. Start by cutting 900 grams of boneless, skinless chicken, thigh fillets into bite-sized pieces, and add to a mixing bowl. Then, add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon of red chilli, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 250 grams of natural yogurt. Now stir like you're auditioning for a cooking show. Then toss it in the fridge for an hour while you recover. Step 2. The salad. To a mixing bowl, add lettuce, spinach, or whatever else you like for your greens, sliced cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumber, sliced onions, and feta cheese. Drizzle with olive oil and mix. Step 3. The salsa. Start by roasting 3 tomatoes. When soft enough to mash, remove all skin and put the tomatoes into a mixing bowl or Tupperware. Now, mash those tomatoes to a pulp. Next, add 1 diced onion, 2 finger chilies, diced, a handful of chopped coriander, the juice from half of a lemon, 1 teaspoon of red chilli, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt. Now give that a good mix. Taste it. Now you know. It's fire. Your missus, friends or family are going to think you've been taking secret culinary lessons when you serve this up. Step 4. My sauce. In a bowl, mix 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 3 to 4 large cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, and enough tablespoons of water to get it to your desired consistency. Step 5. Onto the grill. Get the temperature up on that grill, and then get all of that tasty chicken on there. Listen to it sizzle. You can also fry it in a pan with a little bit of oil or stick it in the air fryer. Turn the chicken every couple of minutes until cooked through. Oh my God, look at it. That's perfection that you're looking at right now. Step 6, the assembly. First, lightly toast some pita bread. You want it soft, so keep flipping it upside down in the toaster every 20 seconds or so. When nice and hot, cut down the middle and then add this to it. A generous amount of my sauce as a base. Next, add a tidy amount of that fresh salad. Leave some space in that pita though. Then, a mountain of that tasty chicken. Stuff it in there. Stuff it like it's a Christmas turkey. Next, add a couple of spoons of that spicy salsa. You need this heat in your life. Finally, top the kebab with some more of my sauce. Look at that. That is 1 juicy chicken kebab. I added another mountain of it to the plate and covered it with salsa and more of my sauce. I was feeling a little peckish. And there you have it. A dish that hasn't been palmed by an unwashed wiping hand of a highly skilled visa cook, hasn't been through dodgy-looking alleys so that the rider could avoid the coppers, and hasn't lined the pockets of those that enable and profit from them. Join us in episode 3 to learn how to make another takeaway classic. I won't spoil it. It's going to be a tasty one though. Like, share, comment, subscribe, or just move on. You're obviously not that into me. Ew! Sorry, Mr. Fancy Pants.